All right, we did the preview video before it even came out with all the features that we kind of sort of knew about. Then we did the full installation video and showed you all the features that were installed and kind of gave you the rundown of everything. Today, I'm going to give you my top 5 features in the 2024 Tesla Holiday Software Update. Plus, later on in the video, I'm going to let you know why you may not have gotten the update just yet. Coming in at number 5 is setting your battery percentage upon arrival. So even though this wasn't exactly what I thought it would be, it's actually a very nice feature to have on road trips, and that is setting the arrival energy at your destination in the turn list. Now, I thought that we would be able to fine-tune this for every single supercharger stop, which would be ideal, but maybe that's a sign of things to come, and we will get that feature in the future. But for now, you can set your trip planner to adjust the stops, and that way you will know upon arrival. Let's say you don't have any charging planned, you're staying at a hotel without charging, there's no superchargers nearby, you can plan that destination percentage so you have some in reserve. At number 4, this is a great security feature if you're away from your car. Driver's side Sentry Mode door detection. So anytime anybody is messing with your door, you're going to get a notification on your phone letting you know that you might want to check into this, maybe using the Sentry Mode cameras that you can now check on your phone, which is pretty cool too. Over 14,000 people have now subscribed to the channel. It truly, truly means a lot to me. And if you like what you're seeing here on today's video, don't forget to hit the like button on the video as well as subscribe. It means the world to me and just takes seconds out of your day. So let's get back into it. At number 3, we finally have rear cross traffic notification with red bars on the screen, although I haven't heard any sounds yet. Next up is the rear cross traffic notifications. I'll throw you an example that I have from a parking lot recently. Essentially, it shows you the red lines or red gradients, I guess you'd call them, on either side of the camera as something is approaching. Have you heard the sound yet? Supposedly, I'll throw this up on the screen. Supposedly, there's supposed to be a sound associated with that, but I have yet to hear it. Coming in at number 2, and this was even a major feature, superchargers letting you know which stalls might be down upon arrival. If you are headed to a supercharger, you will be notified if any stalls are out of order. This is not new. Right here, you can see this, out of order 12B. That part is not new. What is new is this. You're going to see it down in the lower left of the screen as you're rolling up into the parking lot of the supercharger on which stall is out of order. Right there in front of you, ready to go. And the number 1 feature on the list, and I never thought I would see the day where I would feel this or think this. You know, this is kind of a thing that Mac or Windows users, you do a software update and all of a sudden you get that software update bump in speed. That it could be psychological, it could be a real thing, but this is the first Tesla software update where I feel that things have gotten snappier, things have gotten faster. Just jumping around the car menus and all that kind of stuff, it just seems to be better. I don't know if they've optimized some things. We, of course, are on the Intel chip. We are not on the AMD. We missed it by a couple of months, but oh well, what are you going to do? But everything just seems to be way easier, way faster, way less sluggish or laggy. It's fantastic. A couple of things that should have made the list, but in my case, I was not able to test those and use those, and that is the weather overlay on destination. I really wanted that feature, but alas, I am a lowly Intel Tesla owner, and we were not deemed worthy to get the weather overlay. We do get weather on destination as kind of an iPhone weather menu item, but we don't get the cool clouds and stuff actually on the map, so that's a bummer. The other thing that would have made my list but didn't, because I have an older Apple Watch. You need iOS 11 or greater, and this is a 4-year-old Apple Watch. The problem with Apple Watches is Apple made them so good, so intuitive, so amazing that I don't find the need to upgrade very often. It does everything a watch should be doing, so it's kind of silly for me to upgrade my watch just for that. That doesn't mean I'm not going to, though. And finally, if you've been waiting around on the video, just checking out all these features along with me, and you're wondering, why have I not gotten the Tesla holiday software update? What's wrong with my car? Why don't I get to be deemed worthy by Tesla? Well, there's a couple of factors at play, one of which is, do you have FSD? they're on a different, what they call stack or installation timeline. So if you have FSD, you're probably not enjoying all these holiday features just yet. The other reason might be, and that's as of this recording, is Cybertrucks. I don't think have them just yet. If you have a Cybertruck and you've got the holiday update, let me know down in the description. I don't think you guys have it yet, but we've got a couple of weeks before, holidays are actually here. So those are a couple of reasons why you may not have gotten the update yet. The final reason is, and this is just mind-blowing, I've yet to see any rhyme or reason for Tesla's way of rolling out software updates. You're just not on the list yet. That's how it works. Last year's holiday update, my two cars didn't get it until after Christmas. For some reason, this year, I got it like days after it was announced. It was great because I wanted to do videos. Last year, I'm sitting around going, okay, I need to do videos, guys, come on. So there are definitely reasons. Don't freak out. You don't need to contact service. You'll get it when Tesla says you are deemed worthy. All right, there you go. That's my top 5 list of the features that I personally like coming out of the 2024 Tesla holiday software update. Are yours different than mine? I have a feeling they might be. Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like button on this video. It truly means the world to the channel, as well as go that extra step and hit the subscribe button. It takes just seconds out of your day, but means the world to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.